looking to book your next Egyptian getaway? Let me tell you about Sunrise Holidays Resort, a property that has been catching the attention of travelers searching for that perfect Red Sea experience. This resort sits in one of Egypt's most beloved coastal destinations, and after diving deep into what it offers, there is quite a bit to unpack. Whether you are planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need to get away from the daily grind, understanding what this place truly delivers can make all the difference in your holiday satisfaction. The accommodation options at Sunrise Holidays Resort present a variety of choices designed to cater to different traveler needs and preferences. Standard rooms form the backbone of the property, offering comfortable spaces that balance functionality with vacation vibes. These rooms typically feature twin beds or double bed configurations, providing flexibility for couples or friends traveling together. The decor follows a contemporary style with touches that remind you that you are indeed on a resort holiday. Air conditioning is standard across all room categories, which is absolutely essential when you are dealing with Egyptian coastal temperatures that can climb quite high during peak season. Private balconies or terraces are included with most room types, giving guests their own outdoor space to enjoy morning coffee or evening relaxation. The bathrooms come equipped with shower facilities, and you will find the basic amenities you would expect at a resort of this category. Moving up the accommodation ladder, the resort offers superior rooms that provide additional space and often come with enhanced views. These rooms might overlook the pool areas or gardens, giving you something pleasant to wake up to each morning. The furnishings in superior categories tend to be slightly more upscale, and you might notice better quality linens and a few extra touches that make the space feel more special. For families or groups wanting more room to spread out, family rooms and suites become the ideal choice. These larger accommodations can comfortably sleep 4 or more guests, often featuring separate sleeping areas or additional beds. The extra space means kids have room to play, and parents can maintain some semblance of organization with their vacation belongings. Some family units include small seating areas where everyone can gather for games or just to plan the next day's adventures. The suites at Sunrise Holidays Resort take things up another notch entirely, offering significantly more square footage and often multiple rooms. These premium accommodations might feature separate living areas, upgraded bathroom facilities, and prime locations within the resort complex. Suite guests often enjoy preferential views, whether that is direct sea views, expansive pool vistas, or garden outlooks that provide maximum tranquility. The attention to detail in suite accommodations typically includes better quality furnishings, potentially upgraded entertainment systems, and sometimes even special welcome amenities. Throughout all room categories, you will find essential modern conveniences like satellite television, telephone service, and safety deposit boxes for securing valuables. Housekeeping services maintain the rooms daily, ensuring fresh towels and tidy spaces throughout your stay. The overall room experience aims to provide a comfortable base for your holiday adventures while encouraging you to spend most of your time enjoying the resort's outdoor and recreational facilities. When hunger strikes at Sunrise Holidays Resort, guests will find themselves with multiple dining venues to explore throughout their stay. The main restaurant serves as the central dining hub, operating on an all-inclusive basis for most guests and offering buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is where you will find the widest variety of food options, with international cuisine forming the foundation of most menus. Breakfast spreads typically include both continental and hot options, covering everything from fresh breads and pastries to eggs prepared various ways, breakfast meats, cereals, fruits, and yogurts. The morning coffee station becomes a gathering point for early risers and those needing caffeine before hitting the beach. Lunch service continues the buffet format with salads, hot dishes, pasta stations, and dessert selections that change daily to provide variety throughout longer stays. Dinner elevates the experience slightly with more elaborate presentations and often themed nights that celebrate different culinary traditions. You might encounter Italian night with fresh pasta and pizza, Oriental evenings featuring Middle Eastern specialties, or seafood nights highlighting the fresh catches available from the Red Sea. The quality of food at buffet restaurants can vary, and while you will certainly find options to fill your plate, those with more refined palates might find the execution somewhat standard for this resort category. Beyond the main restaurant, Sunrise Holidays Resort typically features additional dining options that add variety to the culinary experience. An a la carte restaurant might require reservations and could offer a more intimate dining atmosphere with table service and a focused menu. These specialty restaurants often concentrate on specific cuisine types, perhaps Mediterranean flavors or grilled specialties that showcase different cooking techniques than the buffet format allows. The ability to enjoy a sit-down meal with courses served sequentially provides a nice change of pace from the buffet routine, especially for couples seeking a more romantic dinner setting. Some à la carte venues might be included in the all-inclusive package with limitations on frequency, while others could require additional payment or reservation fees. The bar scene at the resort includes multiple locations strategically placed around the property for maximum convenience. The main bar near the pool area becomes the daytime social hub where guests gather for refreshing drinks between swimming sessions. Here you will find the bartenders mixing cocktails, pouring beers, and serving soft drinks throughout the day. The beverage selection under all-inclusive packages typically includes local alcohol brands, international soft drinks, juices, water, tea, and coffee. Those preferring premium imported spirits might need to pay supplements, as is common with most all-inclusive programs. A lobby bar or indoor bar provides a comfortable setting for evening drinks, often featuring live music or entertainment that creates a pleasant ambience. Beach bars bring drinks directly to where the action is, allowing you to stay close to the sand and sea while staying refreshed. The convenience of having beverages readily available without constantly returning to your room or main bar areas adds significantly to the relaxation factor of resort life. Snack bars or cafes scattered around the property offer light bites between main meals, serving items like sandwiches, pastries, ice cream, and quick snacks that keep energy levels up during active days. These casual dining spots are perfect for kids who get hungry at odd hours or adults who want something small without committing to a full meal. The aquatic facilities at Sunrise Holidays Resort form a central part of the overall guest experience, as you would expect from any respectable Red Sea property. The main swimming pool serves as the resort's aquatic centerpiece, offering ample space for guests to swim, play, and lounge throughout the day. This pool typically features a good size that prevents overcrowding even during peak occupancy periods, though like any popular resort, finding the perfect poolside lounger might require some strategic timing during high season. The pool depth varies across different sections, with shallow areas perfect for children and non-swimmers, while deeper sections accommodate those wanting to actually swim laps or dive in. Surrounding the main pool, you will find an extensive deck area furnished with sun loungers and umbrellas that provide both sunny and shaded options depending on your preference. The poolside atmosphere tends to be lively and social, with music playing, kids laughing, and the general buzz of vacation energy filling the air. Some guests love this vibrant environment, while others might find it a bit too energetic if they are seeking complete tranquility. For families with young children, a separate kids' pool or shallow splash area provides a safer aquatic environment where little ones can play under parental supervision without the worry of deeper water. These children's pools often feature fun elements like small slides, water sprayers, or playful designs that keep young guests entertained for hours. Parents appreciate having a dedicated space where their kids can enjoy water play at an appropriate depth and scale. The resort's beach access represents one of its most valuable assets, providing direct entry to the beautiful Red Sea coastline that draws millions of visitors to Egypt each year. The beach area features the resort's designated section of sand where guests can claim loungers, umbrellas, and enjoy the stunning water views. The quality of the beach can vary depending on the specific location, with some areas featuring natural sandy entries into the water, while others might have more rocky or coral-rich zones that require water shoes for comfortable entry. The Red Sea is famous for its incredible marine life and coral reefs, making this coastline particularly special for snorkeling enthusiasts. Even just a few meters from shore, you might spot colorful fish, interesting coral formations, and the diverse underwater ecosystem that makes this sea so renowned among divers and marine enthusiasts. Beach amenities typically include towel service, so you do not need to bring your own from the room, along with beach bars that deliver drinks directly to your lounger. Some resorts in this area offer water sports facilities where guests can try activities like windsurfing, paddle boarding, or kayaking, either included in the all-inclusive package or available for additional fees. The beach atmosphere tends to be slightly more relaxed than the pool scene, attracting guests who prefer the natural setting of sea and sand over the manufactured pool environment. Watching the sunset from the beach becomes a daily ritual for many guests, as the Egyptian sky puts on spectacular color shows as the day ends. The combination of pool and beach options means guests can vary their aquatic experiences throughout their stay, switching between the convenience and amenities of the pool and the natural beauty and snorkeling opportunities of the beach. Activity options at Sunrise Holidays Resort ensure that guests who want to stay active during their vacation will find plenty of opportunities to do so. The fitness center provides a space for guests to maintain their workout routines even while on holiday, equipped with cardiovascular machines like treadmills and exercise bikes along with some basic strength training equipment. The gym facilities at resort properties of this category tend to be functional rather than extensive, so serious fitness enthusiasts might find the equipment selection somewhat limited compared to their home gyms, but it certainly suffices for vacation maintenance workouts. Operating hours typically allow for both early morning and evening exercise sessions to accommodate different schedules and preferences. Sports facilities might include tennis courts where guests can book time for matches, either playing casually with travel companions or potentially participating in organized tournaments that the animation team arranges. Other court sports like volleyball or basketball could also feature, depending on the resort's specific layout and facilities. These activities provide great opportunities for friendly competition and getting to know other guests who share similar interests. The animation team plays a significant role in organizing daily activities and entertainment that keep the resort atmosphere lively and engaging. Throughout the day, you will find scheduled activities like water aerobics in the pool, dance classes, sports competitions, and games that encourage guest participation. The enthusiasm and energy of animation staff can significantly impact the overall resort vibe, creating either a fun, engaging atmosphere or occasionally becoming a bit too persistent for guests preferring a quieter holiday. Evening entertainment typically includes shows, live music performances, themed parties, and other productions that give guests something to do after dinner. The quality and variety of entertainment programming can vary considerably, with some nights featuring genuinely enjoyable performances while others might feel more routine. For water enthusiasts beyond just swimming, the resort location on the Red Sea opens up incredible opportunities for diving and snorkeling adventures. While serious diving expeditions typically require booking with specialized dive centers either on property or nearby, the House Reef, accessible directly from the beach, offers fantastic snorkeling that ranks among the best in the world. The visibility in Red Sea waters is typically excellent, and the diversity of marine life means even casual snorkelers can have memorable underwater encounters. Seeing colorful parrotfish, angelfish, butterflyfish, and countless other species in their natural habitat provides experiences that guests remember long after their tans have faded. Some resorts offer introductory diving experiences in the pool for those curious about scuba diving but not yet certified, providing a safe environment to try breathing underwater and experience the basic sensations of diving. For certified divers, the Red Sea region offers some of the planet's most celebrated dive sites, with opportunities to explore dramatic underwater landscapes, encounter larger marine species, and experience the unique ecosystem that makes this area so special to the diving community. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.